Hi everybody, today I want to show you this air duster that I just got. It comes in this very nice package, and what is great is wireless. You can charge it, and it comes like this, just like this, and you can see that it's wireless, and it comes with a USB cord to charge it from anything, that whether it's a computer, a phone charger, or anything like that. It comes with a couple of attachments, and just like this one, and you can see it right here on the window where I'm blowing some dust from a desk and anything like that. And it comes with this one, which has a little brush. This would be ideal for, again, the keyboard or anything like that. After I blew my keyboard first, and then I went over with this one just to make sure that it just picks up anything that gets blown in between the keys. But this works for anything, in the kitchen, in your office, in the kids' bedroom, and anywhere you want. It's not very loud, so I'm gonna turn it on so you can see. Right there, there's a little symbol. It tells you that it's charged, and right here is the port where you charge it, and there's a trigger, and it's not really that loud. I don't know if you were able to hear me, but it's not that loud. And again, you just use it for a little bit, and it's pretty strong. You can tell with the hair. So it is very powerful for the size, and I think it works very well. So I think it's a really nice product. I think the quality is very nice. It's hard plastic, and I think it's perfect for the house. So I hope you guys like it as much as I'm enjoying it.